Hi, I'm Diana and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make one of my favorite chicken dishes, even though I'm a beef kind of girl. It's called chicken Divan. It's kind of a chicken and broccoli with a curry sauce. It's delicious. All right, what you're going to need, buy yourself a bag of broccoli florets. You're going to need some shredded cheese, about 1.5 cups. Here I've got 2 chicken breasts that were boiled. You can use leftover chicken, just so long as you have enough pieces to feed your family. And this recipe can easily be doubled. And you're gonna need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream, at least 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of curry powder. If you like curry, you're gonna love this dish. Okay, first things first, preheat your oven to 375. Put your broccoli florets, that's the easiest, in your pan. Put in your chicken, just lay it on top, because you want every piece to get this wonderful sauce. Ooh, this is a big one. Cut it in half. Okay. Now, you've got your sour cream. Actually, I'm using yogurt because my sister says it's healthier. Got 1 cup of mayonnaise. You've got your lemon juice. And you've got your curry powder. Now just give it a quick stir. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, normally I just stick my finger in it to test it, but somebody might complain. Nope. All right. I put in 1 tablespoon of... Joe, can you open this? Ready? Yep. Okay. I'm going to put in another teaspoon and put in a teaspoon of lemon juice. Nope. And then it also depends on how old your curry powder is. My son had a friend that made chicken Divan and brought it over, and it was really different. It had no lemon and no curry in it. It was kind of like chicken and cream sauce. It was good, but I like mine better. Okay. Now I'm going to put in 1 cup of my cheese, and I'm going to save about 1/2 cup, and that'll go on top of the chicken. You just pour it on top, covering all the chicken pieces. And then sprinkle your cheese on top. Now, was that the easiest or what? And put it in the oven for 30 minutes. It's been 1/2 hour. I'm going to go get the chicken Divan. Beautiful. beautiful. You don't really have to cook it a long time because the chicken's already cooked. You're basically getting it so that the broccoli gets a little cooked. A little piece of chicken. And I mean, you can use frozen broccoli, but the broccoli just gets so squishy that I like it better when you use fresh broccoli because the broccoli comes out a little crispy. Want to try it?
Sure.
It's going to be hot.
Okay. Oh, it's good.
Different, huh?
Mm-hmm.
If you like curry, you'll like this dish.
No, that's awesome. And it's got cheese in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, you guys, you got to try this recipe. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.